There's a verse from the Quran from Surah Qiyamah, chapter 75, verse number 8, talking about Khasafal Qamar. Khasafal Qamar means when the moon is buried in darkness. It also means that when the moon it becomes darkened. Or some of the translations say when the moon is eclipsed. So Khasafal Qamar means when the moon is buried in darkness or when the moon is eclipsed. For the real context, if you read from Surah Qiyamah, from verse number 1, we come to know that it's talking about Qiyamah, the day of resurrection. And the non-Muslims, when they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they ask the believers, how will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be able to reconstruct our bones? Because after we have been buried and all our bones have been disintegrated, how will Allah be able to reconstruct our bones on the day of judgment? So Allah replies in the Quran, talking verse 1, 2, 3, 4, that we can not only reconstruct the bones, we can reconstruct the very tips of your finger.